Steps to prepare your organization for a CMMC assessment by implementing the necessary cybersecurity practices and policies. Here is a general outline of the steps you can take. 1. Familiarize yourself with the CMMC framework. Read through the CMMC model framework and familiarize yourself with the requirements for the CMMC Level 1 certification. 2. Identify the QE and FCI you handle. Determine what types of QE and FCI you will be handling as a subcontractor. 3. Implement basic cybersecurity hygiene practices. Implement the 17 practices listed in the CMMC Level 1 requirements in your organization. This includes implementing security measures such as antivirus software, firewalls, secure passwords, and access controls. 4. Document your cybersecurity practices. Keep a record of your cybersecurity practices and policies. This will be important when you undergo a CMMC assessment. 5. Consider working with a cybersecurity consultant. If you are unsure about how to implement the necessary cybersecurity practices, you may want to consider working with a cybersecurity consultant who can guide you through the process. 6. Find a C3PAO. When you are ready for a CMMC assessment, find a CMMC third-party assessor organization, C3PAO, that is accredited by the CMMC accreditation body, CMMC-AB. 7. Schedule a CMMC assessment. Work with the C3PAO to schedule a CMMC assessment. During the assessment, the C3PAO will evaluate your organization's cybersecurity practices and determine if you meet the requirements for a CMMC Level 1 certification. It's important to note that the CMMC certification process can be complex and time-consuming, especially if you are new to cybersecurity. Working with a consultant or experienced cybersecurity professional can help ensure that you are implementing the necessary cybersecurity practices correctly and prepare your organization for a successful CMMC assessment. Thanks for watching.